Hello everyone, my friends. Welcome to a new video, Wakantiam. I am Ufuk from the Monte Conta team. Hamster Kombat has announced the airdrop allocations today. So now we will be able to see how much airdrop we will receive, friends. There are some foreign terms in the airdrop section. What do these foreign terms mean? How is claim it done? Did Hamster Kombat execute the airdrop well or poorly? What kind of impact did it have globally? We will take a detailed look at all of these questions. If you like, let's quickly move on to our video without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to start with a brief introduction. As the Monte Conta team, we share a lot of content that can be educational, informative, and helpful for you to earn money. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. This will motivate us to create more videos. If you want, let's take a look at the details of our airdrop together. I'm quickly switching to my phone screen and opening my Hamster Kombat bot. Then, you will see the exact amount of airdrop you have earned. It is not showing for me right now because I had opened it earlier. Friends, those who want to see it again need to click on the airdrop section below. When we click, a screen like this appears. This screen contains some terms. What are these terms that I explained at the beginning of the video? Total hamster, claim it, next unlock, and unclaim it. First, I'm starting with total hamster, friends. Total hamster shows us how many hamsters we have in total. So, the place we need to look at to see how many hamsters we have earned in total is the total hamster section. Then there is the claimant. The token is not listed at the moment. There has been no exchange listing. Therefore, we could not claim it. Seeing a 0 here means nothing. So there is absolutely no need for you to panic. The claimant section will be available after the listing, and as these amounts are credited to our account, the claimant section will also increase. The next unlock section shows the amount that will be given to us in the next unlock. In unclaimed, it shows the amount we will receive after Hamster Kombat is listed. So the amount we will receive here is 6.1. Next unlock refers to the amount that will be credited to us in the next unlocking. Friends, you can understand it this way. Why have they implemented such a vesting? Honestly, I don't understand. But when you think about it, there are 200 million users. If they implement such a locking system for each of these 200 million users, they would significantly reduce the selling pressure. This token may be good for the future, but many people are rebelling. Frankly, the team needs to do something in response to this rebellion. So I personally think that way. The amount of airdrop they provided is already small. And when something like this happens, people get even more upset. I understand your frustrations as well, friends. The airdrop certainly did not satisfy any of us. By the way, will you be claiming it? How will you do it? I will be explaining these in the upcoming minutes of the video. Now that we have learned this part, we can look down. Below, it is stated where and how much hamster token we have earned. Above, there is passive income. This is 1.4. It shows what we mean, and the remaining funds, SIM is coming. Below, there is a test section. It shows the hamster tokens we have earned in exchange for the tasks we completed. In the friends section, it tells us how many hamsters we have earned from our friends. In the success and case or key section, it informs us about how much airdrop we have earned. You can conduct a review based on this and learn about your success. You can find out where and how much airdrop you have earned. They are transparent about this, so I can't say anything more. With so many banned people, I can't say I'm not surprised that these amounts have come to us, friends. I hope the banned individuals have also been unbanned and that they have sent airdrops to them as well. They said we banned 60% to 70% of it. If you saw the amount coming in, I can say that my other main accounts are above average. Friends, this part was like this. So how are we going to claim it? I will leave the claim it part for our next video. How will we claim it? Because it's September 26th, friends. We have 4 days ahead of us. The details will be revealed within these 4 days. I will also share the details with you. When we come to the withdraft section, there is a direct claim part. What is the purpose of this direct claim? Will we perform the withdrawal process from here? Or will our hamster tokens be directly credited to the debt account we linked? I will explain all of this one by one in our next video. Even our account can explain this. We are waiting for a bit more detail on these. Actually, we know, but if the details come, we can explain these to you more confidently, my friends. Now let's move to our computer screen. I will share a few of my own comments and then wrap up the video, friends. Hamster Kombat is currently trending on Twitter and is in first place, friends. What does this mean? There is either something good or something bad. When we click on the Hamster Kombat section, they have written how much airdrop they have earned with the Hamster Kombat label, and most of them have expressed dissatisfaction, not only about the small amount, but also regarding the unlock part. So what have I gained here? The price will drop in 2 days. because you've also angered the community. These are important criteria for us. You must not upset the community. A project without a community is not a project, my friends. Let me tell you that, well, some of our friends are happy. I hope you are among those who are happy, because we want all of you to make money. We are working hard for this, friends. However, as I mentioned, there are major memes and significant uprisings happening on the global front. You are currently watching this video. In fact, let's take a look at this video together, friends. So, what he means here is that dogs are better. I can also say that he is right, friends. Because we didn't do anything in dogs, and maybe we earned a nicer airdrop in dogs. What more can I say? I honestly look forward to your thoughts in the comments, friends. How was the airdrop? Did you receive a nice amount? Do you think this locking event was good or bad? You can write your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments section. I will do my best to respond. If you liked our video, you can support us by hitting the like button. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.